Welcome to the 60-second update with the Royal Air Force from the Battle of Britain Memorial flight at RAF Coningsby. An RAF Atlas A400M has completed a number of airdrops into Gaza over the past few weeks, containing tons of vital aid, including food supplies. This forms part of an international coalition to provide life-saving assistance to civilians in Gaza. RAF aircraft have arrived in Romania for the NATO air policing mission, Operation Biloxi. The RAF will play its part in deterring and defending against threats to NATO security. Recently, Chinooks from 18th Squadron deployed to RAF Shawbury from Odium on Exercise Pegasus Fury. This is an example of ACE, or Agile Combat Employment, in action. To defend, fly and fight against threats, we must be ready to operate from different locations. The Battle of Britain Memorial flight, BBMF, maintained 12 historic and irreplaceable aircraft: Spitfire, Lancaster, Hurricane, Dakota and Chipmunk, for air shows and displays. The display dates for 2024 have just been released on the RAF website and intranet. That's everything for this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.